Why is it that we are so protected? Let's go back to this picture here. We have these mountains right here, and that's where it gets cold, is up in the mountains. But guess what? That's a good thing. Why is that? Because that's where the snow goes, and that's where we get our snowpack. And this spring, it'll become our snow melt, which comes down the mountains, goes through our hydroelectric dams, gives us cheap electricity, gives us plenty of water for the fields, for our irrigations, for our yards. We have plenty of water and very great temperatures. Pretty nice. So what else does our temperatures look like? Not just in the winter? Well, here we have citydata.com, and that's a pretty darn good place to go to for some generic information about different towns and cities throughout the country. And here's a nice little chart that shows where our average temperatures are. The green is the U.S. average. So we do have a couple of weeks, I think literally 2 weeks, that we have an average of temperature in the summer that's over 100. But that's not bad because that's, at the peak, but the rest of the day is cooler. And then in the winter time, average daily lows gets down to, well, it's below freezing, but our daily highs in the winter are somewhere between 30 and 40 degrees. That's not bad. Precipitation, well, we are a high desert, so we don't get as much precipitation as, Portland, but it's nice in that, well, our humidity is so much lower than most places across the entire country. And it's the afternoon one here. This is where it just kills you back in the Midwest when you have 100 degrees, 100% humidity, you just want to die. But here in the Treasure Valley, here in the Banana Belt, we have low humidity in the summer, which makes it, if you're from most places in California, you have that low dry heat, low humidity, you're going to really love it here. Plus, like I said, we got 4 distinct seasons. So about the time you're tired of the heat, which lasts a couple weeks and then it starts to taper off, then fall comes and the leaves change. Oh, it's great. And then you're tired of the fall. You want to have some of that winter fun. The holiday seasons are coming. Becomes winter. And then like today, we got a little bit of snow, but not so much that, it's a great big hairy deal to go drive it in and stuff like that. It's not bad. Most of the times it'll melt off the streets and sometimes the sidewalks by the same afternoon that it snows. So it's really not bad at all. Also, what's kind of funny too is that we don't get a lot of wind here, again, because we're protected by those mountains. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. Go to www.treasurevalleydave.com for more great information.